Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5.3-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a tow hitch. We do get a nice backup camera, side bed steps, with a nice bed liner. We do get some nice black accents on this vehicle as well. Mud flaps on the front. And moving to the front, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Chevrolet Grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior. You got your 6 additional seat here, floor mats, carpeted interior, plenty of door space in the back, powered door mirrors, and you do get a rear bench seat that I have to fold up. That does give you access to extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, powered door, mirrors, trailer brake, four-wheel drive, and lights all on your left-hand side. And actually your four-wheel drive is just right here, which is pretty nice. Four-wheel drive high, low, little storage there. Looking at our steering wheel, we do get our cruise control, and on here we get our digital speedometer with our odometer sitting at 133,985 kilometers. We do have the capability to go for our trip 1 and 2, fuel range, average fuel economy, tire pressure, oil life, transmission fluid, trailer brake, engine hours, and all that fun stuff. And we do get a comm screen. Tons of storage here with storage there. You even get some outlets down there. Cup holders, your 6 additional seat with some storage here. 12-volt traction, bed lights, temperature for your climate controls, storage above and below. And looking at our infotainment system, we have our audio, gallery, but a phone has to be connected. Phone, projection settings, all that jazz. Phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, aux, all that fun stuff. And shifting the vehicle into reverse real quick, we do get our lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UB09376B, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.